Hi everyone, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. I got this beautiful looking Infiniti G37 with some nested dent right here on that quarter panel. The dent is about the size of maybe a baseball, maybe a bit bigger. If you look in the reflection of the light, I took the tail light off and all these things out so I can get access behind this dent. Let me show it to you quickly what it looks like here. So as you can see, I got the tail light off. I could even access it from this angle here, but it was a bit more challenging for me to reach out from this angle. So I decided to take the tail light off. The tail light comes out really easy. There is this plastic cover that goes right here on those 4 clips. You just pull this out. There are a couple clips that holding this thing here, and then a couple clips that holding this thing there. And then once you pop this out, you pull this away, and then there are 1, 2, and 3 8mm nuts. You take them off, unscrew them, and then there's one socket here, and you unplug that as well, and you basically pull the light out. That's how it goes. And this is the light, and as you guys can see, this is the clips that we have removed and all these nuts here. Let's see what we can do with this. So this is our dent. This is what it looks like. As you guys can see, if you look in the reflection, it's about at least 6 inches, at least 6 inches wide, and it's right on this body line. Let's look at it this way. You guys can see there's so much metal that got pushed upwards this way. Okay, so we're gonna have to work on this thing just to be on a safe side. Don't forget to warm the panel, keep the panel hot so the paint doesn't crack, because you're going to be doing a lot of metal movements here in the first couple minutes of your repair, and you definitely don't want to have any paint cracks. If my glue gun was ready here with the hot glue, or if I had a cold glue, I would pull it with the glue first, but in this case I'm just going to be using this rubber. I can't stick this in here, as you guys can see, so what I do is just stick the rod first and then go from the back side and put the tip on. So let's go ahead and place our heat gun, and there we go. Let me show it to you quickly. Alright, so this is what we got. You guys can see what happened right now. We still have a dent right here, so this is about, I would say about 4 inches, wide. So that's going to be my next step. I'm going to be working on this guy here. There is a nice buckle right here on this side. So now what I want to do is I want to apply the pressure from the back side on this dent and start tapping this part here. All right, so that's going to create the metal flow this way, that way, and you will see that this dent start getting smaller in the size. So just basically a little bit of a pressure from the back side. You know, I don't have to be super precise, just anywhere, as you guys can see, right there. All right. Looking better. Now we're gonna go and move forward. All right. Nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch my tip. So now I switched my tip. It's a soft tip with some Tesa tape on it. It's got a plastic cap on it and then Tesa tape on top of it. The white parts, the yellow parts, what you see there, like some kind of a substance, it's actually a wax. You know, what I like to do is put some wax on it so it glides behind the skin, and it's just much easier for me to work on the dents. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's got a little bit of an imperfection right here in this area here. Once I get this done, I'll be okay. Alright. Alright, I'm done working on this dent. Let me show it quickly. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. You guys can use the the reflection of this house as a line board. As you guys can see, this perfect fine lines. There is no distortion in the image. Just goes perfectly fine. All right, and that's the kind of finish I was looking for, without any distortions. I wanted to get that perfect result where no one can tell if there was any kind of dent. Not even a experienced guy, not even a dent guy. So that's what it looks like. This is the area where some other technicians worked. They performed some PDR. This is the kind of result they got here. And now you guys can see the difference between our quality and someone else's quality. This is what it looks like from someone else, and this is what it looks like from us. So we only deliver quality results. Let's go ahead and replace our tail light. So this job took me about 2 hours with the video recording. It came out nice. I'm really happy with these results. If you guys like it too, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them also in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to reply. Anyhow guys, keep pushing, and wish you much success in 2020. Thank you.